The AI Revolution, 10 tools changing the game in 2025. In 2025, these AI tools will redefine how we live, work, and create. Are you ready to revolutionize your daily life? From writing killer content to designing stunning visuals, these tools are like having an army of superpowered assistants working 24/7. Let's jump in. ChatGPT Pro, your AI brain trust. First up, we've got ChatGPT Pro, the big leagues of AI writing assistants. Think crafting compelling marketing copy in seconds, or automating your customer service with personalized responses. ChatGPT Pro remembers your past conversations, your writing style, even your preferences. Its language generation is so natural and nuanced that it's practically indistinguishable from human written text. Trust me, this is your secret weapon for content creation domination. Jasper AI, unleash your inner Hemingway without the struggle. This tool is a game changer for bloggers, marketers, and anyone who needs high-quality content regularly. Jasper AI generates entire blog posts, social media updates, even video scripts, all optimized for maximum engagement. It analyzes trends, digs into your target audience, and suggests relevant keywords. Say goodbye to writer's block and hello to a constant stream of fresh, engaging content. Notion AI, supercharge your workflow. If you're all about productivity, then you need Notion AI. Notion AI isn't just about taking notes and managing tasks. It's about streamlining your entire workflow. It crafts compelling outlines, summaries, and even full-blown paragraphs within seconds. It also automates repetitive tasks, summarizes lengthy documents, and helps you brainstorm new ideas. Notion AI is your new secret weapon for reclaiming your time and getting more done. Zapier, the ultimate automation machine. When it comes to automation, Zapier is the undisputed king. It connects over 3,000 different apps and services, creating automated workflows. By automating the mundane, you free up your time and mental energy to focus on what really matters. Grammarly, your AI writing coach. Grammarly is like having a personal editor on call 24/7, catching typos and grammatical errors. It understands the context of your writing, offering suggestions that enhance the overall impact of your message. No more embarrassing typos, just clear, confident communication every single time. Perplexity AI, the future of search. Perplexity AI is here to revolutionize the way you search the web. It provides you with accurate, relevant, and cited information from reputable sources. Once you go Perplexity, you'll never go back to traditional search engines again. We're living in a video-first world, but creating engaging video content can feel daunting. Not anymore, thanks to Lumen 5. This AI-powered video creation platform makes it easy to transform your written content into stunning videos. Simply paste the link into Lumen 5, and it automatically pulls in the text, suggests relevant images and video clips, and adds music and transitions. Lumen 5 empowers you to tell your story visually and connect with your audience on a whole new level. DALL-E 3, the AI artist in your pocket. DALL-E 3 creates completely original, mind-blowing images from scratch using text prompts. Describe your vision and watch as it generates stunning options. Whether you're a seasoned artist or a novice, DALL-E 3 empowers you to explore the limitless possibilities of AI-generated art. Speechify. Unlock the power of audio. Speechify is your new secret weapon for consuming content on the go. This AI-powered text-to-speech app transforms any digital text into natural-sounding audio. Imagine catching up on industry reports while stuck in traffic, Speechify levels the playing field for people with dyslexia, visual impairments, or anyone who prefers audio. With Speechify, you can learn, work, and enjoy content in a way that works best for you. Phantom Buster, your social media wingman. Phantom Buster automates the tedious tasks of managing your social media presence. It sends personalized connection requests, follows up with relevant content, and provides valuable insights and analytics. Work smarter, not harder, with Phantom Buster. So, there you have it, folks. 10 game-changing AI tools that are going to transform the way you live, work, and create in 2025. From boosting your productivity to unleashing your creativity, these tools are like having an army of superpowered assistants. The future is here, and it's powered by AI. Which of these tools will you try first? Let us know in the comments. Make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future deep dives into the world of AI and tech.